You've been told AI is a game changer, but you don't know where exactly to use it to scale, cut costs, make things faster and more efficient. That's exactly what I'm here to show you.
Welcome to the AI for Business OS. Whether you're a business leader, owner, or up-and-comer, we're here to help you get faster, smarter, and better by picking the right AI tools that fit your business. Because when the fit is right, the results are exceptional. Most people think AI is really expensive or you need a massive IT team. You do not need a huge budget to use AI effectively. What you do need is a step-by-step roadmap. And you need that roadmap to find and use the right AI tools, the tools that fit your business, pay for themselves over and over again, and make your business run smoother than ever. You're not winning with AI trying to jam a fancy tool that you saw online into your business. We'll show you how to start with the problem and then pick and integrate the right AI tools to solve and dominate that problem and pay your business over and over again. Every single day, our team builds and integrates AI solutions that drive real ROI. And we're here to do the same thing for you. No wasting time on gimmicks. We want every tool you decide to build and integrate to have one job, to perform and pay for itself, period. Do you need some proof? Here's what AI is already doing in businesses. We've got AI-driven inbound call centers allowing you to scale your support without skyrocketing costs. We've got AI-driven inventory management allowing you to cut your waste and overstock to practically zero. And AI data integration. This allows you to eliminate slow and manual data entry and other manual processes. I could go on and on with all sorts of use cases, but I think you get the point. This is what I can show you how to do in your business. Until now, this blueprint has only been available for our highest paying clients. We've decided it's time to make it available for the first time to the public. And the best part is, it's completely free. Inside the AI for Business OS, you're going to learn where AI makes the biggest impact in business. Then you're going to learn how to calculate your ROI before you spend $1 on any AI tool. And then of course, you're going to see tons of use cases and know exactly what AI is doing in businesses today. Here's the deal. AI isn't some future distant thing. It's happening right now and it's changing businesses and careers. Are you going to sit back and watch? Or are you going to jump in and start using AI the right way? It's completely free to get started. Come in and join us in the AI for Business OS and transform your understanding of how to integrate the right AI into your business starting today.